From the land of ginseng comes a new, deadly threat. A giant creature, as swift as the redback spider, thirsty for blood and targeting the large. Prepare for a deadly hunt that will be unforgettable. Who is this new monster? Beating Germany's Rheinmetall, South Korea's Hanwha Aerospace has successfully won the tender for the Land 400 Phase 3 program. This has captured the attention of Australia and the AS21 Redback, an advanced infantry fighting vehicle, or IFV for the Australian Army, aimed at replacing the M113 armored personnel carrier introduced in 1964. Inspired by the successful K21 IFV used by the South Korean Army, the AS21 Redback features a tracked wheel design that not only provides outstanding mobility, but also comprehensive protection against various threats. Imagine a vehicle capable of shielding soldiers from bullets, mines, and chemical, biological, radiological, and nuclear threats. This vehicle is equipped with advanced sensor technology typically found only in modern fighter jets, complemented by lethal armaments, including cannons and missiles. It is estimated that this vehicle will begin operations in 2027, and at that time, the world will witness its debut. While some prototypes have already been tested by the Australian Army for evaluation, the remaining prototypes are undergoing blast tests to ensure their durability and reliability. However, the question arises, amid the multitude of existing IFVs, why does the AS21 Redback stand out on the global stage? Let's dive deeper. The Redback is a formidable combat vehicle that promises unparalleled protection. It seems poised to become the star of future armored warfare, capturing the attention of the global market curious about its capabilities. The design of the AS21 Redback is considered advanced, divided into three main parts: the vehicle body, turret, and power pack. The primary focus of this design is protection. With its modular armor layers, the Redback is ready to face a variety of potential threats. It is equipped with an active protection system known as Iron Fist cutting-edge technology, designed to intercept incoming missiles or projectiles. After undergoing a series of tests, this system has proven to work exceptionally well, while the Spike LR2 missiles launched from the Redback demonstrate impressive attack capabilities. However, protection is not the only advantage of the Redback. The rubber tracks used on this vehicle help dampen noise and vibrations, providing a more comfortable ride for both the crew and the soldiers it protects. With a design focused on comfort, the Redback is also able to extend the lifespan of the vehicle itself. Furthermore, its advanced suspension system eliminates the need for torsion bars, creating additional space for blast mitigation systems. Measuring 8.8 meters long, 3.6 meters wide, and 3.8 meters high, this vehicle requires power to accelerate to speeds of 70 kilometers per hour. This is all made possible by the powerful 1,000 horsepower 8-cylinder MTU MT881 K500 diesel engine, ensuring agile movement. Talking about the main armament, the Redback is equipped with the Mk44S Bushmaster 230mm cannon. This cannon is not only capable of firing various types of 30mm by 173mm ammunition, but has also been operated by 19 countries, including the United States and the United Kingdom. Each cannon is equipped with a fuse setter that allows for special programming, including airburst ammunition and close-range fuse options. The Redback also has the capability to be upgraded to a super-shot 40mm, simply by replacing 3 components, providing a significantly more lethal strike capability. The Redback truly stands as a symbol of strength and innovation on the increasingly complex battlefield. So far, does the Redback offer better value than other IFVs? Amid the bustling competition in combat vehicles, the Australian Army has taken a bold step by choosing the Redback, produced by Hanwha. This decision has made its rivals, such as Rheinmetall's Lynx KF41, feel threatened. Europe, the United States, and Southeast Asian countries are also beginning to be captivated by the arrival of the Redback, which is showing potential to compete on the global stage. From the outset, the Redback has demonstrated promising performance. Its successfully tested prototypes showcase advanced features and competitive pricing, positioning it favorably in the increasingly crowded IFV market. This success is not merely coincidental. The Redback is designed to stand out among its competitors. On the other hand, many observers consider the Lynx to be the favorite for the Land 400 Phase 3 program. This vehicle is indeed designed to offer high modularity and a robust level of protection. Its turret is equipped with the Wotan 35 electric drive 35mm cannon, which fires well-tested 35 by 228mm ammunition. With its power pack located at the front of the hull, the Liebherr engine with 850 kilowatts of power and a reliable Renk transmission enables it to reach a maximum speed of 70 kilometers per hour. However, amid all these advantages, Australia must choose between the Redback and the Lynx. Both offer nearly equivalent levels of protection, mobility, firepower, and sensor arrays. The question is, which one is best equipped to meet the needs of the Australian Army and provide optimal economic benefits? This is where the Redback emerges as the preferred choice for the Land 400 Phase 3 program. Although the Redback is not the cheapest option, with a contract valued at $4 billion for 129 IFVs, it offers an excellent balance between cost and performance. In a world filled with difficult decisions, the Redback establishes itself as a symbol of innovation and efficiency, ready to face future challenges on the battlefield. The Redback has truly been tailored to meet the needs of modern combat, not only with its superior technology, but also with its satisfying value. How prepared is the Redback to confront the increasingly complex modern battlefield? Do you know of any alternatives that might be better than the Redback? Leave your thoughts and thanks for watching.